you have an older dog or a dog that doesn't like to walk very far and you need a little solution to help them out on your walks, we may have a solution for you. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of this dog stroller. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and honestly, I love it. I do have some footage of us using it with our oldest dog, Memphis. If you guys have not heard yet, she passed away on June the 6th. This was her stroller that we were most recently using, and I absolutely love it. It has a lot of really cool features. No, we're not getting rid of it. It's gonna stay in the attic until we need it with another dog or until a friend of ours needs it. But I want to show you guys some of the really cool features, and then I'll probably have Eleanor or maybe Kira, but I don't know if Kira will get in it. One of the things I really loved about this, check out these springs on the front. So it has a little bit of suspension, which is nice. As your dogs are in it and you're pushing it around, these springs kind of move so that there's not so much jarring motion inside of this. I love that it has all these options for opening like little windows while your dog's in there. You can have that one open so they can just stick their head out. There's this top one here. Oh, and they all have these little clip things so you can roll these. So this one also zippers open. You can zipper that open. They can stick their head out there, which is nice. On the back here, you've got a couple of bags to store different things. This whole part zippers so they can get in. I'm gonna get this one in. It has a brake right here. So easy to use. You push that brake, and now the back tires don't move. Flip it up. Now the back tires move. Honestly, it's a really nice stroller. The whole thing does collapse down as well. Let me get Eleanor in it. What do you think of that, Eleanor? So if she wants to stand up in there and have her head out there, she can. She can sit down and have her head out there. She can sit down and have her head out the top. It's really nice. I'm not really worried about her. I mean, I'm in my own yard right now, and I'm not really worried about her jumping out. Let's see what she thinks if I push her. You're gonna turn and look at me this way, aren't you? What do you think? Gonna go for a ride in a stroller? You're like, huh, this is pretty nice. Look at yours. It's like, whoa, wait, I don't have to walk on my own. Mom's just gonna push me around. Dude, talk about a win, huh? Kira's like, wait a minute. Talk about a win, huh? She's like, yeah, this is pretty great. Is that pretty great? So she gets to walk until she's tired, and then we'll put her in here. Hi, you laid right down. So I like that the top opens and the front opens. Yeah, you laid right down. I'm like, huh, this is kind of nice. I gotta see you from the front. Hey, what do you think of that? It's pretty nice, huh? That's what I'm saying. Now when you get tired, you can still be part of the walk. Happy as can be. When she's tired and ready, she sits right down. I like that this opens so I can pet her and the front opens, because you look stinking adorable. Oh no, I didn't put the brake on. See you later, bye. Honestly, it's a really nice stroller. Oh, this part also, there's like a part here that zippers down here, and it can flip open from the front as well. So there's so many different ways to open this. Actually, let me do that and show you. And I do this one-handed. All right, so see how this, the whole top can flip back like that, making it really easy for her to get out. And the bottom of this also has a really nice padding, and I appreciate that this isn't slippery. Like when we had Memphis in it, she wasn't slipping and sliding in here. So realistically, this is nice. Eleanor's like, yeah, I'm totally getting back inside here. You want me to close you back in so you can go for a ride? I guess if I teach you young, when you need it one day, you'll know how to get in it. So I have this part unzipped and opened, and you can kind of see here, there's a button here. You push, and then the whole thing goes flat. That's how you can make it flat to easily put it in your car. That's how easy it was. I did that with one hand. So once it's flat like this, excuse me, ma'am, I'll open it in a second. There's a little clip right here, and that's gonna hold it shut for you. So when you need to open it, you just pull that clip back. That I probably do need two hands for. There we go, pulled it out, and it's back up. All I gotta do, put that back down and zipper it. And that's it. Super convenient. If you have an older dog that needs a little bit of extra help on those long hikes and long walks, I love this. I love the springs in it. I love that it doesn't bounce around. Honestly, this is a pretty epic dog stroller, and I'm so thankful we had it for when Memphis needed it the most. We recommend this.